Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I was looking for an interesting side dish and I decided to come up with this pasta Italian salad. It's incredibly delicious, all kinds of ingredients. This is by no means original, but just my version of it. Let me walk you through it. You're going to love it. So the first step, we're going to boil 2 cups of rotini in salted boiling water. You can use a pasta of your choice. I just like this, it's really colorful. It's going to take like 7 minutes until it's al dente. After about 9 minutes, it's tender, so I'm just going to scoop it out and set it aside. Once it's cooled down a little bit, I'm going to add in about 10 grape tomatoes that I've cut in half. You can use cherry if you want, it's up to you. A couple of small red onions, finely chopped. Some green onions, and just a couple of stalks. 3 tablespoons of black olives. A couple of tablespoons of roasted bell peppers, and you can use fresh ones if you like. And about 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes. About 3 tablespoons of crumbled feta. I just love feta cheese. My all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. The smell's incredible, guys. A drizzle of olive oil, and I'm just going to eyeball this. A teaspoon of sugar, just to balance things out. And some balsamic vinegar. And like I say, I'm just going to eyeball this, but it's probably, like a tablespoon. A couple of tablespoons of parsley. And I'm going to drizzle some lemon over this just to balance things out. Smells so good. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy wooden spoons and give this a toss. I love this. You can have this with any kind of protein. And there you have it, guys, our pasta Italian salad, and you can make this in 15 minutes. Great midweek meal. So let's dig in and give this a taste test. I gotta get some of that feta. This is absolutely incredible. You have to make this. I love the feta, I love the tomatoes, I love the pasta. Just so good. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff out there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and happy holidays.